Hey guys, Joshua Zamora here with a very quick case study video just to show you a few of the results that I've been able to get with our Zarip platform. Now, before I actually jump into this, I do want to warn you, okay? This is a real warning to let you know that the site that you're gonna see is easily one of the ugliest sites that I've ever put together. All right, it took me maybe 5 minutes of effort to actually put this site together. It has no logo on it. It has no color on it. It's literally just a black and white site. It has one of the most basic themes that you can think of. And it has no monetization, none of that. I pretty much set it up as a demo site, all right, pretty much a dummy site. So if you go to this site, you're going to see that it is butt ugly, easily the ugliest site you've ever seen. However, Zarip has still been able to get tons of page one rankings with this ugly, plain old site, okay, that honestly it took me less than 5 minutes of effort to put together. I literally threw it together so I can show you how quickly and how easily and how fast you can actually get rankings with Zarip and putting it to work on your site or your client site. Okay, so I'm going to walk through some of these results, but again, keep that in mind. This is a very, 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 very ugly plain site that only took 5 minutes of effort to put together. So let's go ahead and jump into this. All right, so this is in the drone repair niche, and I'm pretty much dominating for just about every city in the South Florida area, and I'm starting to move into the Central Florida and also the west part of Florida, and I'll show you a few of those results as well. So drone repair Miami, you'll see that my site is right here in the middle. Drone repair Coral Gables, this is another city here in Miami. You'll see my site right here. There's two rankings actually showing up there. Drone repair Coconut Grove, another city here in Miami. I'm here at the top. All right. Drone repair Miami Gardens. That's another city towards the northern part of Miami. My site is here. Drone repair Orlando. Now I'm moving towards the middle of Florida where Disney World is. You'll see that my site is right here, ranking in the middle as well. And I'm also ranking for just about every single zip code that you can think of in the South Florida area. Okay, and the reason for that is because Zarip has the biggest global database built into it. So we have every single country, every single state, every single city, and every single zip code for every location worldwide. So you can literally use this to rank anywhere. All right, so here, drone repair 33155, that's a zip code here in Miami. You can see my site is right here. Drone repair 33133, I'm here at the top with 2 listings. Drone repair 33134, here is the my site ranking 2 spots there. And now I'm also gonna show you a couple of results for 2 campaigns that I literally just started a few days ago. And if you watch the demo video of Zarip, which is the official demo video, you'll see that in that video I had just started one of these campaigns. Okay, and then in the video I actually start another campaign for a different city, and you'll see that one was for Tampa and one is for Naples. So when you're going through the official demo video, you'll see that I actually start one of those campaigns in that demo video. So here in Tampa, this is a zip code in Tampa. You'll see that my site is right here on the first page, and literally I just created this campaign a few days ago. Okay, this is the Tampa, and if I do Tampa, you'll see that my site is slowly starting to work its way to the first page as well. It's in the second page right now, all right, for just drone repair Tampa, which is a very, very strong keyword for ranking for the entire city. All right, so I feel that over the next few days, this should pop into the first page. And again, I just created this campaign, and Zarip has done everything for me. It's posted the content, it's optimized the content, it's syndicated the content for me, okay? And also, I did create a Naples campaign in that official demo video as well. Literally, this one I created, I think it was 2 days ago that I put together the official demo video. So you'll see that now my site is right here for drone repair Naples, and this is the first page of these results, and I'm already on the first page. Literally within no more than 2 to 3 days ago, I made this campaign. All right, so just wanted to put together this great case study video to show you how quickly and how amazing rankings you can get with Zarip. And you'll see that Zarip does everything for you. Okay, you can see some of these posts here on the right hand side that it's done. You'll see that I literally just created this. So some of these posts have just been made for me, okay, over the last day or so. And again, Zarip writes, optimizes, posts, and syndicates all of this for me. So make sure that you do check out the official demo video, check out the special offer that we have going on, because this is a platform that can really get you some great results. It can get you rankings for any niche and any location worldwide, guys, because again, we have this platform built with the biggest global database of any platform that you can ever get your hands on. So check out the demo video, check out the special offer, check out the bonuses, all of that, and make sure you secure your account.